we have this little man right here. Now this little man, I say, he's a military man that goes back to the 1700s. And if you see, he has a little French tam, the type that the Frenchmen used to wear, has a shield with a heart and a little cross there. And the French people that was down in this area were Catholics. And they were on very good terms with the native people in this area. And over here next to this little man, what we have, and if we put some water on it, this is a ship. So we'll have this going here. Put a little water on it like that. And here is the ship. Here is the outline of it right here. Here is the other outline right here. And here is the hull. And then down on the end here, I'll take you right down here and show you this caribou. Here's our caribou right here. And if you put water on this caribou, his image comes in really, really close. This is a caribou that was hunted way, way back in the 1700s, 1800s. And it was around this area. The last one to be caught in Nova Scotia was in 1909 in the Cape Breton area. We don't have any caribou here now. All we have is white-tailed deer.